How to fix there was a problem with server 400 error on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. And now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as it is really important to be connected to a proper working internet connection in order to use YouTube hassle-free. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open YouTube and then swipe up on your home screen and you will be led to your app switcher. Here, go ahead and force close YouTube along with all the apps running in the background, and then go ahead and open YouTube again and check if the error is gone. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to YouTube and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then in iPhone storage interface itself, make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as if your iPhone does not have enough storage space, then the apps might not perform to its fullest. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube, and make sure that the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Also, open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update, and also make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version too, as it is really important to be using an updated iOS version. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the YouTube application. Further, tap on Remove App and then tap on Delete App and delete the app and reinstall the app again from App Store. And by now, your issue should have been fixed. If not, then just in case, if you are connected to any kind of VPN services, then go ahead and disconnect your VPN services, as sometimes VPNs could be the issue. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if that does not help too, then simply open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for youtube.com and use the web version of YouTube for the time being. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix there was a problem with server 400 on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.